Hey there, this is Shirley Jackson, and this is my lesson plan project on animals, their habitats, and their offspring, which is a kindergarten standard that we are covering this 9 weeks. These are the content standards that we cover. This is science, and this is our technology standard, and this is writing because there is a writing piece to this lesson. And these down here are our ISTE standards that are also covered in this lesson. The first thing that we did was have a Skype in the classroom with the Buffalo Bill Center of the West. This was an awesome hook for the kids. It got them really excited about our lessons and our unit on animals. And if you have not done a Skype in the classroom, I highly recommend it. I was able to communicate with the Buffalo Bill Center of the West beforehand, so they knew that they were presenting to kindergartners, and they adjusted their lesson and their presentation based on the age of the kids and what our standards were. So they did a great job. The kids really enjoyed it. After the kids watched the Skype, I had a grab bag ready for them to choose their animal. So what I did beforehand is I went to PebbleGo because I knew that was where I was going to have them do their research. And so I went to PebbleGo, and there is all of these animals that we can choose from. And so I went ahead and picked animals that I thought the kids would be interested in. I tried to get a few from each of these categories, and they were able to choose whichever one they chose. And I am going to share with you the penguin, and just to show you kind of what it looks like. So it talks about their body, talks about their habitat, their food, the food that they eat, their life cycle, and some fun facts that they they will teach them about their animal. And then you can also click on read more. It'll tell them about other things, some animals maybe that are similar, or different types of animals that are the same of the one that they're doing. So that was what their research looked like, and they had to have at least three facts about their animal.
These are the facts about penguins. They lay eggs. They are a bird. They can fly. They swim fast.
Turn it around. Once they were finished with their Flipgrid videos, they were able to go in and watch the other kids' videos to learn about the other animals as well, which was great. And they could leave feedback for their peers if about their video and about their animal. So it was a great way for them to get some research practice in and some writing, and give feedback to peers and collaborate in that way. And then we wrapped up our unit with a Nearpod lesson that they were able to complete either at school or at home. I have kids that are learning virtually, and I have face-to-face kids. So they were able to do this lesson and draw lines from the moms to the babies and do a few things like that. And so that's how we wrapped up this lesson. It was a great lesson. The kids really enjoyed it, and I will definitely be doing it again.